Protesting movement of British Hindus and Indians in the UK inside UK gathers in front of the Oxford Union. They raise slogans after the union hosts a debate titled "This House Believes in the Independent State of Kashmir." Inside UK shares a post of the protest writing, "Jammu Kashmir was India, Jammu Kashmir is India, Jammu Kashmir will always be India." Inside UK sends a formal letter to the Oxford Union Society expressing concerns. Mehendi on the telecast with me. Mehendi, of course, the Oxford debate has caused protest in the UK. We can, of course, see those visuals flashing on our screens. If you could take our viewers through the controversy and the demands that have been put forth.
Well, indeed, Asavri, a social movement of British Hindus and also Indians in the United Kingdom has started a protest in front of the Oxford Union, the debating society of Oxford University, and has raised slogans after they hosted a debate titled "This House Believes in the Independent State of Kashmir." And, this protest have taken a huge turn because huge cries of "it is known far and wide that Oxford Union stands on terrorist sides" were heard as the protesters also condemned the hosting of debate with speakers with alleged links to terrorism also. And also, Asavri, in the protest outside the Oxford Union, the students holding banners chanted Hindi slogans like Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Vande Mataram. And apart from that, further inside UK have also shared a post on the protest and wrote that Jammu Kashmir was India, Jammu Kashmir is India, and Jammu Kashmir will be India. And also, inside UK has sent a formal letter to the Oxford Union Society to express concerns about its decision to host a debate titled "This House Believes in the Independent State of Kashmir," and also, raising questions about the inclusion of speakers with alleged links to terrorism, and also citing potential risks to the integrity of the debate. And in their letter, the social movement that works on issues that impact, the British Hindus and also the Indian community in the UK has stated that the two invited speakers, as in Muzammil Ayub Thakur and also Zafar Khan, were in support of the motion, had been criticized for their alleged associations with groups linked to violent extremism and terrorism also. And also, Asavri, they stated that how Muzammil Ayub Thakur had been accused of incitement and also hate speech with links to organizations under investigations for connection to terrorism. And, talking about the Inside UK, who further has emphasized that the background of Thakur and his organization, the World Kashmir Freedom Movement, where he is the president, and also Mercy Universal, which he co-founded with his father, both entities have reportedly been investigated by the UK Scotland Yard, the Charity Commission and the FBI for their suspected connections to terrorist activities. And talking about Muzammil Ayub, then he has often engaged in hate speech. Along with that, a case has been registered against him for creating fear and also alarm among the masses using, social media, and also inclining them to commit offences like to disturb the policy or the public order. So, Muzammil have been charged under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. The letter has also mentioned this. So, meanwhile, Zafar Khan, the chairman of the Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, was associated with a group known for violent activities that target the Kashmir Hindu community also. And the JKLF had also been involved in acts such as the kidnapping and killing of Indian diplomat Ravindra Mahatre in the UK back in 1984. It has been said in the letter. And lastly, the Inside UK is a social movement dedicated to raising awareness and also, advocating and campaigning for the causes that concern and impact the British Hindus and Indian communities in the United Kingdom. But right now, these communities are on roads protesting in front of the Oxford Union.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.